Young Seed, hey, 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 what's up with it, double? Hey, man, hey, this don't stop, dawg. We full speed ahead, homie. Let go. I'm coming through like a motorbike. Vroom, vroom with the double pipe. Quick, fast, in a hurry, too. You get it in, people wanna have a word with you. I'ma make a whole bunch of noise. I'ma make a whole bunch of noise. I'ma make a whole bunch of noise. Going wired up like a whole bunch of noise. Stepping in, clean money on my mind. I'm on my own clock, so I'm always on time. I be early more than likely. I'm flyer than a kite be. Stepped outside, damn, the wind caught my sleeve. Up, up, in a way, round the world in a day. Lead them sucker haters with a bitter face. Frowned up tough, I'm smiling real big. All the way cranked up, kinda like a little kid. No candy in my system, this is ice cold water. Spit sick, it's the illest. Lightning auto, ride round with J-Rock in my ice cold daughter. Triple D every day, boy, but I was born in Florida. But I'ma make noise all across the nation. I know you heard of giants, but you facing something bigger. I know you heard of tigers, but you facing something quicker. Let's get this jumping, something like a hit. Come through like a motorbike. Vroom, vroom with the double pipe. Quick, fast, in a hurry, too. You get it in, people wanna have a word with you. I'ma make a whole bunch of noise. I'ma make a whole bunch of noise. I'ma make a whole bunch of noise. Going wired up like a whole bunch of chords. Coming through like a motorbike. Vroom, vroom with the double pipe. Quick, fast, in a hurry, too. You get it in, people wanna have a word with you. I'ma make a whole bunch of noise. I'ma make a whole bunch of noise. I'ma make a whole bunch of noise. Going wired up like a whole bunch of chords.
Came from the bottle like I stayed in the cellar. Took a little time and I got a little better. You better close your mouth before you get wetter. What'd it say? Okay, shut up, I ain't supposed to do. But if it to the bird that you was saying he ain't never heard of you, what you supposed to do? Knock him on his followed by all of his 32s. Now back to the program. Be like, oh damn, that jam. Is he signed? Is he ham? No, I ain't, but yes I am. People say they love me cause I'm loud like a Kawasaki and buggy. They wanna kiss me and hug me or want the chance just to touch me. And that's cool, cause I ain't rude. It's about time cause I paid my dues. From all the that I've been through to all the that I wouldn't do. Now you might hear me before you see me. Say they wanna beat me till I'm sleeping. Haters mad cause they can't beat me.
I'm coming through like a motorbike. Vroom, vroom with the double pipe. Quick, fast, in a hurry, too. You get it in, people wanna have a word with you. I'ma make a whole bunch of noise. I'ma make a whole bunch of noise. I'ma make a whole bunch of noise. Going wired up like a whole bunch of chords. Coming through like a motorbike. Vroom, vroom with the double pipe. Quick, fast, in a hurry, too. You get it in, people wanna have a word with you. I'ma make a whole bunch of noise. I'ma make a whole bunch of noise. I'ma make a whole bunch of noise. Going wired up like a whole bunch of chords.
You need to know that I'm a rider. Tonight we gonna set the streets on fire.
Me and Jalea,
straight up.
Outlaw, outlaw, like I hit the Powerball. Once all eyes is on me, throw it off like Southpaw. Niggas love to count yours, hoping that your paper fall. Wishing death upon me, but I'm here forevermore. I just get debated on, I just get my greatest on. St. Laurent on speed dial, I just put the latest on. Bring it on, bring it on. You want war, then bring it on. Set this bitch on fire, nigga, we can have a sing-along.
You need to know that I'm a rider. Tonight we gonna set the streets on fire. All I need is a gas and a lighter, and we'll have one hell of a time. You need to know that I'm a rider. Tonight we gonna set the streets on fire. All I need is a gas and a lighter, and we'll have one hell of a time.
I got a California king in my condo. Got a motherfucking big screen by the front door. Got a guest bedroom filled up with fur coats. Nigga, ain't no room in this bitch to even jump rope. Yeah, the fire and desire, and I'm higher than my prior. My attire, I acquire, might require, I'm a liar. Whoa, might accept you and deny you, no denial. I'll be in the courtroom on the table screaming, right.
You need to know that I'm a rider. Tonight we gonna set the streets on fire.
On the day I was born, the nurses gathered round and gazed in wide wonder at the joy they'd found. The head nurse spoke up, said, "Leave this one alone." She could tell right away I was bad to the bone, bad to the bone, bad, bad, bad to the bone. I broke 1,000 hearts before I met you, and I'll break 1,000 more, baby, before I'm through. I wanna be yours, baby, yours and yours alone. I'm here to tell you, honey, I'm bad to the bone, bad to the bone, bad, bad, bad to the bone. Make a rich woman beg, I make a good woman steal, make an old woman blush, and a Mississippi girl squeal. I'm here to tell you, honey, what I see I make my own. Here to tell you, baby, that I'm bad to the bone, bad to the bone, bad, bad, bad to the bone. Streets, kings and queens, step aside. Every woman I meet, they stay satisfied. I wanna be yours, pretty baby, yours and yours alone. I'm here to tell you, honey, bad to the bone, bad, bad, bad. I'm bad to the bone.
Oh, where you going with that gun in your hand? Hey, Joe, I said, where you going with that gun in your hand? I'm going down to shoot my lady. You know I caught her running around with another man. I said I'm going down to shoot my lady. I caught her running around with another man, and that ain't too cool. Hey Joe, I heard you shot your little lady down. You shot her down. Hey Joe, I heard you shot your lady down, down in the ground. Yes, I did, I shot her. I shot her down in the ground. Yes, I did, I shot her. Way down in the ground. I gave her the gun. I shot her. Oh. Where you gonna run to now? Hey Joe, I guess you go down to Mexico way. You gotta be free.